Well, the opening day of any competition is special for everyone. A red letter day for everybody here and those of you who have joined us for our live coverage. I hope everybody is comfortably strapped in for the ride. We're sure that this will be a feast of football, irresistible, emotional, a roller coaster for everyone involved. Just listen to that noise. This place is definitely up for it. Let's hope we get a contest worthy of the setting. Oh, he's on his own! He's gone down, but the referee just tells him to get back up again. Now it's Messi. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Well, Peter, modern centre-backs are judged on their ability to defend. But this guy, Christian Romero, is a player who excels up front too. He loves every opportunity to make a forward run. And even when it comes to set pieces, he'll hang around for minutes thereafter in the hope that he might just get an opportunity. So yes, he's a centre-back, but a very different one.
No argument from me on that front. It's easy to see how his presence alone affects both sides. Now it's Messi. He takes a shot! Goal! Lyon! And Lyon are in front. One sweeping move, executed with deadly efficiency.
Well, it's an example of counter-attacking at its finest. Real cut and thrust.
Number 20.
Lyon have broken through. It's 1-0.
Well, this will present the manager with a few interesting options, Peter. Try sitting on this or push on with the opposition now forced to come out.
Bellingham. It's played through for him. And it's Fernandes. Shot a goal! And that's in! Argentina are level! As simple as you like, the outcome utterly inevitable.
Again, that's terrific movement, Peter, and an even better pass. It's beautifully played.
Is number 10.
So they have it all to do again.
Well, I'd happily watch this every week, Peter. This is exactly what you want from a big game.
And that should get the job done. Lyon with the corner, they're first. That's gone all the way through to the keeper. Argentina are looking to go forward now. And here's Foden, O'Reilly, Fernandes, Martinez, Armada, shifted it to the flank. And here's Lautaro Martinez, and he cuts out the supply. Olise has found the net here, of course. Now it's Bellingham. He is through here! Bellingham! Oh, it's come loose. Takes aim and crosses. That's a decent clearance. Messi.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
And he's picked out the run.
Indicated.
And it's Rodrigo de Paul. Oh, that's well spotted. And that signals the end of the first period. Nothing to separate the two teams at half-time. They've both given it a really good go, and they head into the break all square. Any thoughts on all this so far, Jim?
Well, it's been a decent game so far, Peter, although I think in the next 45 minutes we could do with the ball being moved around quicker with a view to trying to entice their opponents out of position. I don't think there'll be a mad rush to do that just yet.
So, impressive jump! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough.
Yeah, I think that miss is going to give him nightmares for a while.
That is ended up in no man's land. Fernandez. And they can counter here. Medina. Now it's Foden. He's on it, can he get away? And the shot! Goal! Leon! And they've got their lead back. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
Number 47.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here? He has found the way through. Oh, sweet feet. Yamal proves just... Shot, surely! A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
I'm really impressed with the tenacity he's shown to intercept that. That's how they're going to make things happen.
Fernandez. And he's running through. And it's Messi. Looking for options for movement. Foden looking in every way a marked man at the moment.
Yeah, and as their most significant...
Goes for a shot! It's in! 2 up now, and they are cruising. Pressure, what pressure? He feels none of it.
Well, he had to deal with an awful lot of unwanted attention, but his tenacity won the day.
6 minutes is number 8, Steven Gerrard.
Argentina choosing to make the first change. Lyon now in a position far more desirable.
Substitution.
I think there's been a greater menace to everything they've been doing during this spell. One that
Shapes to shoot! It's run loose, who's going to get there? De Paul with the delivery. He's done well to get that clear. Messi proving a very adept defender. It was a good and Martinez! No, he's missed it.
Well, that's a sign that he clearly feels the need to take it upon himself to try and get his side back into this.
Substitution for Lyon. Number 5, Bellingham. Number 20, Olise. Number 2, Daniel Carvajal.
Do it. Here's a player who barely needs an invitation to shoot. He's found a way through.
Phil Foden.
Looking for the run.
Field.
And he's picked it up out wide. Good chance here.
Number 14,
Ambitious, but just off target.
Yeah, certainly could have been something so much more.
Desiree Doué. Number 13, Mbappe.
Fernandez. Some front-footed pressing going on here. Raul going face-to-face with his great rival. Well seen, saw that coming.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Looks a good ball through. And he's heaved it away. Romero kept his eye on it, and he's there. Baco. And Gonzalez. Now that looks a decent ball. Now this could be a chance. Martinez plays it in. And that's the keeper's ball. And it's Fernandez. Tries to play it through. He's had a shot! And that's a tidy finish. Late drama, late goal. This will be one frantic ending.
Well, winning the ball back that high up the pitch obviously reduces the distance from goal, and it was his pressure that forced the mistake.
Argentina give themselves a chance of a fairy tale finish.
Well, who's under pressure now? It's going to require some inspired defending to stop this lot.
Mbappe, diving header! He's got a goal! Spectacular header. He really flung himself at that.
Well, it's very well played because it's so easy to get those wrong.
For Lyon, number 13, Kylian Mbappe.
And we're done. What a satisfying performance. A performance at times of determination and occasionally magic. Simply, they had all the right answers. Your final
I'd like
thoughts,
to
Jim?
draw your attention
Lyon
to the
definitely
screen
impressing
right
me
now
here,
for information on
especially
our
the way
shuttle
that
bus.
attack.